My name is Nylah and I did a T-level in design, surveying and planning for construction. My T-level was taught with a mixture of classroom lessons, with also using practical tests and seeing the theory side of it. I learned about the different laws and legislations within the construction industry. We covered some of the design processes as well and how to do drawings accurately. My industry placement prepared me for my apprenticeship as it gave me the skills that I need to work in an office and what the working environment is really about. My favourite thing about working with Berkeley is being able to be a part of such an amazing project. Day to day, I'm working on looking at floor plans from the architect, reviewing packages that include doors, wardrobes, windows. When I'm on site, what I love seeing is all the different materials and also seeing how different components make one bigger picture. Seeing what we're building, it's generally amazing and I can't wait to see the finished product.